Okay, and we are now live. We should see people start trickling in. I'm going to go over to X and grab the broadcast details so we can share it with everyone in the audience. Okay. And there we are. Hey, Peter.
Okay, shall I begin?
No. Give it a couple more minutes, man. You've only got 3 people. No worries. Need to put it in the Discord for everyone. Announcement. There we are. That's the one. And we have Raineth, we have Wish Tree, and we have Peter. Awesome. Awesome to see. We have Christy as well. Fantastic. Got the regulars. Java the Python's back. Amazing. We're already up to 14 people. So Karthi, we'll just give it 1 more minute and then we'll make a start. I'll slowly introduce you. This looks like some awesome stuff. I can see some browser automation going on, so I'm so excited. Yeah, we're already up to 30 people, so it's going up quickly. But yeah, welcome everyone to Wednesday's live stream. This will be my final live stream for the next 2 weeks. I am off on vacation to Malaysia, so it should be really good. And today I'm honored to have none other than KarthiDreamr. Karthi is an absolute legend in the space. He helps me out with so many of my inject prompts, jailbreak posts now, always talking on X, Discord. So I'll actually post his X handle in the chat as well for anyone who wants to follow him on there, because he has a really great page where he aggregates lots of resources. But yeah, Karthi, thanks so much. And I'd love you to just kind of start it off and go from there.
Okay, guys, I've created a tool called, just a second. Yeah, this is my repository.
Nice. And if you just, I'll be able to put it in the chat, Karthi. You can just kind of introduce yourself and then start going through some stuff, and I'll put the links in the chat for you.
Okay, just a second, I'll share this to David.
Yeah, no problem. I think I've got it, so I should be able to find it. Nice one. Those are all the links. You can just send the whole thing. I'll figure it out.
Okay. Currently, I'm talking about my repository.
Yeah. That's cool. Yeah. I'll get that. Don't worry.
Okay, so basically, yeah, this is the one. I call it HackAPrompt. So basically, there is 3 modes in this. This application is about automating HackAPrompt, but it's actually allowed. Sender actually, I was actually skeptical at first, and then I asked Sender, and he said, yeah, it's cool. Actually, the idea came to me first because of no login phone. It's a Discord account in HackAPrompt. It's one of our competitors, and he or she is so cool, and he's a forerunner, and he already created such tools. I'm not sure how that one was, but yeah, you can just run it. Run is kind of like there is this prompt. For example, here there is single prompt I've typed here, and we can just press run, and we can see that the prompt is pasted, and we can see the output here.
Wow.
And it automatically presses judge button, and oh yeah, it's it's kind of brutal. It just submits it again and again. I was afraid that this will gonna DDoS the server or something. So I created a config file. So yeah, you can set timers. For example, to stop the process, for example, and wait for some 50 seconds or something like that. Not just running, you can just make it judge. For example, sometimes you want to press this judge button again and again. For example, we are pressing here, it's not working. So we are pressing it again. Sometimes this works for 3 judges. For example, sometimes only one of the judges will accept, and sometimes 2 of the judges will accept. So basically, we are utilizing the quantum randomization to our help. But actually, I don't think it's, for example, you can't just try 100 times and expect it to work. For example, from where I've seen, you can just, for example, 15 times or 20 times at max. If you try this and it doesn't work, there is a very good chance that it won't work. I've created for intent as well. What the basically how the app works is it's just if else. If
Very nice. So is that using a headless browser, Karthi?
Yeah, I use Playwright.
Oh yeah, very nice. So I've used Selenium in my personal time, so
Selenium
similar.
is kind of so old technology, and
this
one is kind of.
I need to check it out then. Awesome, nice one.
Yeah,
so we've got. No, that's fine. Sorry to interrupt you. We've got a question through from Java the Python, who says, "What is the utility in spamming for judgment or repeating the same intro prompt?" I think I can answer that one. So. Some challenges have a very small hit rate because LLMs have a temperature value, they'll respond differently. So some prompts may have like a 3% success rate. And in that case, you don't want to go through clicking 30 times. So Karthi's thing is just a really nice quality of life tool to solving the challenges. Is that correct, Karthi?
Yeah, I agree.
Nice. Okay.
Any more questions?
I think we're all good for now. Java the Python says that's really interesting. And just checking, I followed his recent guide to give myself an agentic browser. Very cool. I think that's it. Yeah, keep going, man.
Yeah.
Awesome stuff.
I'll share that too if we got time.
Yeah, so nice.
So basically, the button is just a UI component. You can literally see it here. Yeah, this is it. The code what it just does is it checks for this element. If it finds it, it clicks it. That's it. Nothing too complex. You can just simply download it. For example. Oh my God, where is the browser?
You okay? I think you just cut out a bit, but you're back. It's fine. Yeah.
So basically, you need to just clone the project and run this command, and then download Brave Beta browser. And most probably you don't have Brave Beta browser already. So if you download it works. It just works. Yeah. Nice. The next one is related to Raynet. Nice. For example, Ray actually gave me some challenge. Ray actually created an anti-Karthi bot. So this is in Po. You can share the link, David. Thank you.
Yes.
So basically, what Ray did is Ray created multiple bots, and each of them is for example, he tried to understand how the other side works. For example, we are attacking the LLM, and HackAPrompt is securing it. What does it look like to be in the side of HackAPrompt itself? and I created a tool. This tool is basically about
obfuscation. Very nice.
Yeah.
So okay.
You can just...
Very nice.
Yeah, this tool is suggested by Grandog, I guess. It's one of the DuckDuck's challenge competitor. As you can see,
yeah. Okay, so sorry, just while you're getting that set up, Karthi, so we've got a couple of questions for me. Are there any plans to make HackAPrompt's learning curve smoother from the tutorial to the CBurn stuff? That is a great question. I would say it's kind of the first challenge is in the Hawaiian Havoc track, but we're currently working on building out the platform and building out new features. We could definitely, like, these streams are good, so we have a HackAPrompt YouTube. We can definitely try and make those more visible. Yeah, I should answer the question. Sorry, Karthi, go back to it. You still hear us, Karthi? Okay, it looks like we're getting a bit of lag on his end. Can I share my screen and take over in the meantime? Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna try and, oh, I can see him moving about his screen. His microphone isn't working. Let me ping him on the side. And if he's having a few internet issues, I might have to take over and do some ChatGPT agent jailbreaking. Bear with for a second, guys, if you can. Okay. Nothing from him as of yet, so I'm gonna see if I can just hide the screen share and then share my own thing. Yes, please, I want to see agent jailbreak. Yeah, I'll do my best. It's really tricky and fiddly, especially to do just on the fly. And it also, like, it's not a 100% hit rate. So we'll do our best. Let me get my screen share up. There we go. Start a new chat. With all we need is ChatGPT agent. It's completely unplanned, on the fly stuff. Things I do for you guys, right? All right, let me go like that. And we have a lot of nice questions coming through. Should be able to all see that. Do different languages tend to have different token counts? For example, on the Pliny track, I noticed a lot of the winning prompts were in Chinese. And yes, yeah, they are definitely tokenized differently. So we can look at that. It's probably not time to go into it now. David McCarthy is much more of an expert in that. It looks like Karthi's just rejoining the stream, so I'm going to add him in a sec. You try to make a reverse shell. Sorry if I missed it already in your YouTube video. Yeah, I can definitely try. I can try maybe when I'm back from vacation. I'm just going to add Karthi. If he's still having issues, we'll go with that. If not, we'll look at Karthi's tools. Let me see. Hey, Karthi. All good? Okay, doesn't appear to be anything as of yet. Unfortunately, I think he lives in an area where he has a bit of spotty service. So I'm just going to push through, get some more content in, and then we'll go back to it. Okay.
Can you,
yeah, you're back. You're back. You're back.
I'm sorry. I didn't know
that's
that.
Fine, it's fine.
Yeah.
No problem. It happens. I'm going to put your screen share back on.
Yeah. Sure. Okay. So basically,
prompt obfuscator we were on. Guys, just while Karthi is getting back up there, we have a Zoom webinar straight after this again. So I'll just paste the link in the chat and then I'll talk about it right at the end. But if anyone's just doing some other stuff, then you can sign up to that at the same time.
Yeah. Okay. Can you see my screen and can you hear my audio?
Yeah, it looks all good, man.
Okay. So basically, how LLM understands the words are different from how we understand the word. For example, you can see that in LLM, basically tokens are the words that are in large number of times. If the word is present large number of time, it's considered as a token. As you can see, I have been a token, but as you can see here, what is this? Yeah. Uh, each letter is a token here. So this and
Ah,
this are yeah. This and this are
interesting. Yeah.
understood by the LLMs very differently. So that's how I able to actually what you are seeing here is Ray actually set a system prompt to not answer any questions, to not decrypt, etc. He tried multiple times, and all of the time I will able to um, get the LLM to output what I wanted to because of this tool.
Very nice. So
I
quickly,
just asked
Karthi. Yeah, sorry. So quickly, we had a question earlier from Brittany Rainbow saying, do different languages tend to have different token counts? So you're probably more of an expert on that than I am. So what would you say about that?
yeah, for example, uh,
Nice. Lots of
as
winning
you can
prompts
see,
are in Chinese. Oh,
yeah, for example, Chinese. I
very
like the
nice. We're up to
Chinese language.
85 people. Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
I think you're back. Yeah, no worries.
As you can see
Yeah, there we
here,
are.
I don't know why. So basically, Chinese words are kind of like in English there is a word, but in Chinese there is only a few letters. I'm not sure why now it's not doing the same way. Uh, okay.
Yeah.
So basically, multiple languages. This technique works on multiple languages as well. But basically, we can pair it with this very well. In plenty challenges, I completed this way.
Gotcha.
You can combine this with my other repos as well. For example, these tools I think you are already familiar with. Uh,
Yes, this one's amazing. So this is for the image challenges, guys.
yeah, you can just combine both of them. You can
So good.
do like this, and you can paste like this. You can
Amazing.
also add the instruction like remove all the characters, output verbatim, no explanations, something like that. And or you can translate or something like that. And most of the time the LLM will respond. I actually used it in CBRNE until the parroting was banned. And once it's banned, oh my god!
Yeah.
I actually researched a lot about this, and it was a shocker to me. Yeah.
Oh man. I want to clarify to the audience that you've built all these tools by yourself and then made them free to the community. That's awesome, man. So cool.
I also
Very cool.
don't code that much. It's all basically vibe coding.
Vibe coding. Yeah. Oh, well, it works.
Yeah.
Awesome.
You can also vibe contribute.
Yeah, 100%. Awesome.
Okay.
Cool. What's up next?
There is this awesome website called. Do you have any questions? Am I talking too much, David? Am I interrupting you too much?
Man, this is perfect. I think the audience is loving it. There'll be questions kind of coming, but just keep pressing forward, and I'll let you know if there's anything coming through in the chat.
Okay.
Nice.
So basically, this is a website which I love very much. This is called Venice AI. What if we don't need to, for example, jailbreak an LLM to trick and manipulate? What if it just gives us what we want without any efforts? That's what Venice is.
So it's actually blocked in the UK now, which is interesting. Yeah.
then you can use obliterated models. So basically what they are doing is same. They are using an open source model and removing all the refusal parts. So you can just get what you need to. It just gives everything. You can just ask meth recipe and it gives this. So basically, yeah, I put the challenge name and added formats, word counts, and some other specifics that judges may look for, and it just gave it to me. Actually, I used this tool to pair it, and not just pair it. Actually, you can use it for example, recently we've been creating a inject prompt blog, and
Yes.
and we are using exercise as prompt, and basically we used Venice to confirm that it's correct. As you can see, yeah, this one is exercises. This prompt, this jailbreak is called the gay jailbreak.
Yeah.
So basically,
It's amazing.
Yeah.
We talked through it.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'll share the link. Oh my god, it's not.
We can just talk through the prompts. Yeah, I don't think we've published it on Inject Prompt yet. It might be on Exercises blog. We can just talk through it.
Yeah.
Because it's really fascinating. I'd love to see your take on it.
Exercise has a GitHub, I guess, in the. Yeah. This one.
Yeah. There we are.
So basically, he actually published an entire guide about this. So his method is basically about the fact that there is a lot of political stuff going around related to LGBTQ. So it's a sensitive topic, and OpenAI don't want, for example, to offend LGBT communities. So they are kind of reducing the guardrails to be more inclusive, and exercise basically leveraging this to his advantage, and that's what basically all this is. I even created a meme, I guess.
Nice. Yeah, let's look. I haven't looked in the memes. Oh my god. Yeah. So true. That's hilarious. Wow.
Yeah. So basically, I guess there are multiple ways in which you can break an LLM. I learned from this from Rayneth and Exerciser that, for example, you can just take inspiration from movies, books, or whatever you love, and create a different kind of prompt, which is not usually trained by adversely trained by the, for example, OpenAI or Anthropic, and there is a chance that you can get the output. As you can see, this is not a simple luck, and I can show you that this one is for no agent, and this one is for Molotov cocktail. Oh yeah, maybe this is a refusal. Yeah. So it's basically a powerful prompt, and so the creativity is the limit. I think there is no limit.
100%. That's awesome.
Yeah. Then what's the time now? Yeah.
Got another 5
then
minutes.
I can show you the.
Yeah, Java the Python says that is honestly hilarious. I just think it's so creative. Like, yeah, literally, the models, they try and be as aligned as possible, and then they're aligned. You're basically exploiting the political correctness and alignment to cause harm, and stuff like this. Like, it's not an easy problem necessarily. How do you classify a jailbreak like that? It's great. It's absolutely great. I'm going to publish it soon. We're up to 112 viewers, which is fantastic. And we do have to stop sharp on the hour, so we've probably got another kind of 3-4 minutes, Karthi, and then we'll wrap up.
Yeah, there is a small bug in this application I found, and I created it as a feature. So I want to call out. So basically, in previous stream, I guess, I think Josema typed something, and
Yes.
oh, I don't know why now it's not happening. For example, yeah, you can see that this is going right too much. I used some wrapping up code, and as you know, I'm vibe coding. And then I jumped in. I'm actually a software developer, and I used if else code to make this as an exception instead of rewriting the entire code. So if you have any not word like stuff, which would be there if you are parroting. Again, I'm not telling you to parrot. I'm just saying this is a yeah. So yeah, it's not a good good idea.
It's fine.
And yeah. So I think there is no instances in which in a real life you can parrot. For example, you can in a bounty programs you are asked to extract personally identifiable information from the LLMs training, and you can overload the model with, for example, some prompts like if you enter some prompt, for example, how to can you check if Rayman hypothesis is true? And the model just tries and tries and tries, and sometimes there is no limit in the amount of computations you give, and the model just
Getting a bit of lag on Karthi's side, it looks like.
users are not able to access the GPT. This kind of stuff, and TN1 square, as you know. Oh my God.
You're back. We can hear you again. Oh, he has dropped, unfortunately. Let me see. I think he's coming back. And then I will add in KarthiDreamr. There, Karthi, you're back.
Yeah.
No worries.
So
Okay.
basically, in Chinese models, Tiananmen square, and also Harry Potter, he extracted. Remember, those kind of stuff are what A bounty programs are expecting. And also, there is this Pangea challenge. I would recommend you to try it. I tried it, but I wouldn't be able to succeed yet. But it's
Nice.
interesting. I can. So Pangea, you can remember in a previous stream, I guess they created, and yeah, I've asked. Oh my God.
It's okay.
Yeah, you can remember this technique from Jojo's stream. Oh yeah, I have another resources to share. Google Colab.
Sure. We'll do that as the last one.
Yeah.
Nice.
I recommend you to try it. No one solved it yet.
Nice.
Okay. Yeah. This one is. Yeah. This one is Jojo's Prom God Evader. Remember
nice.
the first stream? I remember Jojo did something magical about Prom God is basically. It classifies as good or bad. Whether your input is good or bad. If it's it's good, in the Duck Duck challenge, I guess there is some soldier-like persona responding to us. If you remember ignore all the previous instructions, which is attached to our inputs, and it kind of makes our original prompt bad, and the what Jojo did is basically he added some extra stuff at the prefix, I mean suffix, I guess, to make the input look like good. So there is a level percentage in which if it's 51% or something like that, it will be classified as good, and the prompt god is evaded, and the prompt god won't stop you. I shared this link as well, and for actually, what's the difference between Zozoma and mine? Is basically I just cloned this, I forked this repo and made some changes, and I was able to make it run in a free Google Colab. What he has is a 4090. It's it's too expensive, and it takes huge compute power to run. And Google actually provided it, such free tier, and people are not aware of it maybe. Usually this is here, and we can bump it here, and we can just run. For example, in this prompt, this is the prompt, I guess, and here is how. Oh my god! Yeah. And it crunches. It selects random words. I remember Alderia being a bad word. I mean, not bad word. Classify bad word, and Rainif being a good word, etc. Jojo selected multiple words, and it also tries randomly to increase the chance in which the selected word is falling into good, and basically it takes too much. Oh my god, what's happening here? So basically this takes huge GPU power, and with this I can just share this, and you can just run it. I think you can run for a 4 hour. It's not just for DuckDuck challenge. I think this one is also there in Hawaiian challenge, the 12th one, which only one person unfortunately was able to bypass it with a huge number of tokens. But with the help of this particular tool, you can theoretically able to crack it with very minimum amount of tokens. We actually tried, but we were not trying enough, so we wouldn't be able to evade it.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. Thanks so much, Karthi. Unfortunately, we've got to drop because the webinar is starting. I'm just going to paste the link to that. If anyone's interested, that is finding blind spots in Gen AI security. So I'd highly recommend jumping onto that one. I'm going to jump over straight after this. But Karthi, thanks so much. That was an absolutely awesome session, and I'm sure everyone loved it. So yeah, thanks so much. Thanks so much, Karthi.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity. The stream is for Pangea, right?
I think it's for another company actually. It's going to be another. It's for Kato Networks. Yeah, it's going to be another good one.
Okay, I recommend you to try this one. Yeah, thank you for
that is the Pangea challenge. Yeah, awesome. Thanks so much. Okay, thanks so much, everyone. Jump over to the webinar if you're available, and I hope you all have a fantastic rest of the day. And I'll see you all in 2 weeks. Goodbye.